Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Tim Godfrey with Dave Sinclair Customs, and today we're unveiling our latest truck customized by our shop, the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Crew Cab, and this one has the Denali Lifted Appearance Package. So in this video, I'm going to explain what we did to the truck, talk about the truck itself, and provide a little bit of context for the truck's body color, which is one of the most popular paint schemes we've ever shown on our social channels. Now, there are timestamps below in case you want to skip ahead, and as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button, as well as hit that notification button to stay up to date on our content. Since this package is a full customization package, it will include the complete chrome delete, and our shop chooses to paint most of the chrome pieces rather than vinyl wrap them. However, we do vinyl wrap a few pieces such as the running boards and the chrome trim pieces around the windows. The front and back GMC emblems are painted in a dual color application, but they possess differing primary and secondary colors. The front logo will go with a gunmetal gray as its primary and the Hunter Metallic as its secondary color. That was that color I was talking about earlier in the video. While the back logo will have the opposite approach. Now, the grille is painted with a gunmetal gray as well, while the grille surround will have that monochromatic look and will be painted in the Hunter Metallic. The rest of the vehicle will feature the monochromatic look, such as the front and back bumpers, the wheel well covers, the mudguards, the lower fascia, mirror caps, and fog light bezels. The vertical tow hooks, however, are going to be painted black, as will the twin exhaust tips in the back. We've also painted the nameplates and the badging on the side of the truck. As you can see from the badge, the truck has a 6.2 liter V8 engine, which I will touch on at the end of this video. So this truck is going to have a 3.5-inch FABTECH lift installed, which to my knowledge is the highest lift that we've given a truck that we have internally customized. The exact lift that we used is the Uniball UCA lift kit. The model for this kit is K1131, in case you want to go check out one for yourself on the FABTECH website. We've replaced the factory wheels and tires with black RHINO wheels and NITTO Ridge Grappler tires. The wheels are powder coated black and the tire specs are 285, 55, R22. Looking through the spokes of the wheels, you'll also notice that we painted the brake calipers red. Now, the NITTO Ridge Grappler tires are a favorite of our shop because they're fierce looking tires that handle the pavement and the off-road terrain as well, all without having to sacrifice the comfort or peace of mind. One question we get asked all the time is, does the Ridge Grappler make any noise when it's driven on the pavement? The noise the Ridge Grapplers make on the pavement is very faint, and it's not even noticeable after the first few seconds of driving. The ride is comfortable, and it doesn't interfere with the truck's factory-built handling. In the back, we've installed a hard tri-fold bed cover, which is another staple for a lot of our custom builds. So the color, as I said before, is Hunter Metallic, and it's a premium paint color for the Denali trim. It was introduced as one of GM's 4 new color schemes for the 2021 GMC Yukon, which of course debuted in the summer of 2020. So, as I stated before, this truck does come with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, which will give you about 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. In the back, you'll have the signature multi-pro tailgate, the side step, and the truck bed, complete with 12 tie-downs and 3 LED bed lights. And that will conclude today's video on our latest custom truck. Let us know how we did in the comments below, and tell us what your favorite features were. If you'd like to contact us to customize your truck or SUV, you can click the link below or use the email and phone number in the description to get in contact with our custom director, Dan Sinclair Jr. Thanks for watching.